Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making chalk chip cookies. For this here I have taken 1 cup plus 3/4 cup of flour, 1 heaped cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of brown sugar, half cup of butter, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 egg. Now first of all I will sift the flour and baking powder together. Now here I have sifted the flour and baking powder together, and now I will add the brown sugar in the butter. And now I will cream together butter and sugar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have creamed butter and sugar together. Now I will add in vanilla. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Egg. And milk. Now I will beat these 3 ingredients with the sugar and butter till they are incorporated. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have whisked together butter, sugar, egg, milk and vanilla. Now I don't need the beaters. Now I will fold in this sifted flour and baking powder mixture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And chocolate chips. Now fold it with the help of this spatula. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Similarly, I will add in remaining flour and chocolate chips. Now here this cookie dough is ready, and see, this is not in the form of actual dough. This is slightly a thick batter. So now here I have greased a cookie sheet with the oil. Now I will put the spoonfuls of this cookie dough. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now with the help of this floured fork, I will lightly press it. Similarly, I will repeat this process with all the batter. Now here I have prepared all the cookies and now they are ready to go in the oven. Now I am keeping these cookies in the oven. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will bake the cookies for 15 minutes or till they are completely baked. My oven is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes I have taken out these cookies and now I will leave them to cool completely. Now after cooling, these cookies are ready to be served. Just keep these cookies in an airtight container and refrigerate them, because in the fridge these cookies will remain crisp, and if you will leave these cookies on the dining table or kitchen counter, they will get soggy. So after cooling, store these cookies in an airtight container and refrigerate them. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.